There's a place where the world fades and the static goes quiet. To make it here, you gotta go all in. Beyond the noise, what really matters becomes clear.
Because in this game, focus is everything.
Yeah, my fifth two.
So when the noise gets too loud,
I tune it out.
When I hit play,
It's like a switch.
a new world comes alive.
that's when the work begins.
From the first rep to the last step.
Music turns the chaos into clarity.
And when everything else fades, I can turn up what really matters.
Because you gotta have the best
To be the best.